My dear students, NEET, JEE, CBSE board exams, 2026 exams, please alert. Which of the following is not a periodic property? Previous year question. You see, what is periodic property? The physical and chemical properties of an element. Physical and chemical properties of an element that repeats at regular intervals. That repeats at regular intervals. That property is called periodic property. Example, atomic radius, or you can say atomic size. Electron affinity, again electronegativity, another periodic property, again ionization potential, atomic size, electron affinity, ionization potential, electronegativity. The physical and chemical properties of an element that repeats at regular intervals, that property is called periodic property. Okay, atomic size is a periodic property, electron affinity periodic property, ionization potential periodic property. Radioactivity is not at all a periodic property. Atomic number Z greater than 83. Atomic number heavy nucleus, that is Z greater than 83. Heavy nuclear elements are generally unstable. They undergo disintegration, spontaneous disintegration. That is, they emit alpha, beta, gamma rays. Alpha, beta, gamma rays does not depend upon configuration. Radioactivity Z greater than 83. Heavy nuclei, they are unstable. Z atomic number greater than 83 elements are unstable. Heavy nuclei, generally they are unstable. They undergo spontaneous disintegration. That is, they emit alpha, beta, gamma rays. They does not depend upon electron configuration. So radioactivity is not at all a periodic property. I think you have a clarity. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.